welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'll be doing a review over the Tylors Naturals cocoa butter that I just got. It's an organic, natural, 100% pure, and it's a certified organic that has a all natural chocolate aroma, and it has fatty acids, cocoa butter, and it's a creamy natural moisturizer that is extracted from organic cocoa beans. And down below I'll be putting the recipes of how you can use this bar with. And what I like about this cocoa butter, that it has a lot of benefits that you can use to it. Like, you can use that cocoa butter for hair. It helps you eliminate the dandruff. It protects the scalp, and then you can even see that whenever you grab the little piece, you can see it melting on when you rub it with your hands. And you can use that on your lips too, like a lip balm. That will help you heal too. Another thing about the cocoa butter, it's great for your skin. It does helps you moisturize and hydrates your dry skin. As mine is a very dry skin, and it moisturizes. And it does relieve the sensitive skin. I mean, like, come on, who's not gonna fall in love with the chocolate aroma smell from this cocoa butter? Like, who would not? And then especially when you put that on your skin, it gives you like a glowy skin, like you can see on my video. It does makes your skin very soft and very soft. Okay, so the only way I melt the butter, the cocoa butter, I melt it in the microwave. As you can see, whenever I was just grabbing it, it was melting like right away. You don't have to put too much minutes on it. Okay, so that's it for today. See you on my next video. Bye bye.